Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to apply for a patent step-by-step, easy method. Start by documenting your idea with drawings, dates, and prototypes, then perform a patent search to confirm novelty, and choose provisional or non-provisional filing. Prepare claims that define the invention clearly, create detailed descriptions and drawings, and organize filing materials for the patent office. Consider consulting a patent agent for complex claims or international protection guidance. In this video, I will show how to make chicken Alfredo pasta. Quick recommendation: if you stand cooking for long stretches, try Darn Tough Socks with a lifetime warranty for unbeatable comfort and durability in the kitchen. They cushion your feet and make prep work easier, plus they last a long time so you save money. If you want that link and other deals, check the description, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make chicken Alfredo pasta. Pound chicken breasts to an even thickness and season well with salt and pepper. Sear in a hot skillet with a little oil until a golden crust forms, about 4 minutes per side depending on thickness. Transfer to a plate, tent with foil, and rest 5 minutes before slicing thinly so juices redistribute and the meat stays tender when added to the sauce and pasta.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.